Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Micron. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of June, 2025, our system has ranked Micron as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.71. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 23.23% since we first listed Micron as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.37% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected. The analysis of the recent 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 71.67% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 54.79% to 76.65%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of around 12.04%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between negative 57.56% and negative 10.80% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between 53.47 and 112.39. Our latest daily update from Micron includes the headline: Micron stock price ended at $126 on Thursday after losing 0.98%. The Micron stock price fell by 0.98% on the last day, Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, from $127.25 to $126. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.33%, with a day low at $123.85 and a day high of $130.45. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.59% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 30 million shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 62 million shares were exchanged for approximately $7.82 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $137.39, and the lowest was $61.54. Currently, the price is 8.29% or $11.39 below the 52-week high, and 20.02% or $31.54 below the all-time high on June 18, 2024, when the price reached $157.54. Micron technology is experiencing notable momentum, driven by strong demand for semiconductor memory solutions, particularly in the artificial intelligence sector. The company announced record quarterly sales, with fiscal fourth quarter revenue anticipated at approximately $10.7 billion, showcasing the influence of artificial intelligence on its growth trajectory. Analysts highlight the surge in high-bandwidth memory, especially from graphics processing units, as a key performance indicator that could significantly impact future earnings. However, despite these strong quarterly results, Micron stock has encountered some volatility, primarily due to weaker demand in the personal computer and smartphone markets, which is affecting memory chip pricing. This situation has led some analysts to adopt a more cautious perspective, suggesting that while the company is well positioned for artificial intelligence opportunities, the broader weakness in certain sectors may temper stock performance in the short term. Looking ahead, Micron's focus on artificial intelligence-driven applications places it favorably within a rapidly evolving market. If demand for artificial intelligence-enabled devices gains traction, the long-term outlook for Micron could be robust, supporting its stock price in a competitive landscape. Overall, while short-term challenges exist, Micron's strategic positioning in the artificial intelligence landscape holds significant promise for sustained growth and investment potential. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, June 26, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Micron Technology a grade of outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Needham also rated Micron Technology with a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. Additionally, Susquehanna provided Micron Technology with a positive grade and a hold action. Piper Sandler, on the same day, rated Micron Technology as overweight while issuing a hold action. Lastly, Citigroup assigned a neutral grade to Micron Technology, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Micron stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have designated the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Micron. The Micron stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support may be found at $124.14 and $105.04. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 24, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 1.49%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, serving as an early warning sign that warrants closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 45 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. Micron finds support from accumulated volume at $123.60. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction range from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $6.60 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.33%. For the past week, the stock has maintained a daily average volatility of 3.27%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Micron, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Micron is at $127.25. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Micron faces its first support level at $123.60. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Sanjay Mehrotra, who bought and sold 7,500 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.259. Overall, insiders purchased 1,061,292 shares and sold 1,326,476 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $122.45, which represents a decline of 2.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 86, which considerably heightens this risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Micron stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Micron stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of June, we anticipate Micron to open higher by approximately 76.7 cents, starting at a price of $126.77. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.